It's not less than I think 31 or 32 times. Still, senior officers, even the ministers, they still in the in the holiday mood. So most of them they have not come to office. And I'm telling you, we are the responsible people in the scripture or outside the scripture. So when I say that, the moment among us, if they happens to get positive, means immediately the circulation is made. And once the circulation is made, we already knew what steps to be done. So therefore, we don't have any hesitation to tell you. That's what I'm telling you. First example is me, so I already done. And till now also, of course, my mass is very regular. I can shake hands with you, and we also maintain our distance with all of you for safety.
So that
Lakin sengobha, nadu kasan stem siso. Lakin sengobha, ban itkia daladi lagi, nakamantaban ay, yakin injection, lagi vaccination kami om, hakin isngi iban pan.